Mementos have this magic way of taking us right back to a moment in time. Designing Spaces spoke to the framing experts at Tru Vue and Frameworks Miami for some professional tips on how to pick the best custom frame in which to display your next memory.
Custom framing is where you take something that's important to you, that you want to remember, you can preserve it, protect it, and you can display it in your home. Anything that you want to preserve or protect can be framed. The combination of an artistic vision and the technical expertise required for custom framing really allows us to be limitless in what we can provide to our clients. You can come to us with an idea or concept, and we have lots and lots of different materials that we can recommend for printing and using in framing that allow us to really have it be an expression of you, and we specifically work with you to get you what you want.
When you come to a custom framer, the framer is going to not only be able to enhance the artwork with its framing design, but they will also be able to preserve your artwork for a very long time. The first thing to do when a customer walks in the door is to listen to them, see what they're looking for, and provide them guidance so that we can then create a design package for their artwork. It's critical when you go to a custom framer that you go to somebody that is reliable, somebody that understands about preservation, design, and the finished product.
Tru Vue is the leader and innovator in the protection, conservation, and visual appearance of all things framed and displayed. They've been making these products for more than 70 years.
Tru Vue is a US-based manufacturing company, and we make glass and acrylic for many different applications. But our proudest applications are protecting and preserving consumers' memories, as well as protecting precious works of art in museums all around the world. Tru Vue makes glass and acrylic products that are different than what you would find in ready-made frames. The reason is we use different levels of coating that are engineered specifically to offer distraction-free viewing or an anti-reflective glass. And with added UV protection, it protects your items and memories, especially the ones that can't be replaced.
We love our partnership with Tru Vue because through their marketing materials, we're able to educate our customers on preservation, including selecting the proper glass or acrylic.
We do not use regular glass because it is detrimental to your artwork or whatever you're framing. We use Tru Vue Conservation Clear as our baseline product, and what that does is it blocks the UV rays from getting to the artwork. Now, in addition to the Conservation Clear, our favorite product by Tru Vue is their museum glass and acrylic, and it provides an exponentially clear way to see what you have framed.
These options not only offer you an invisible, beautiful finish, but also provide you with different levels of protection, preservation, and anti-reflection.
Everyone assumes that glass is glass. It's not. There's regular glass, there's conservation glass, there's non-glare glass, and there's the best of the best is the Tru Vue museum glass.
Museum glass from Tru Vue is engineered with coatings to offer anti-reflection, so color and detail come through, UV protection to really minimize the impact of UV rays, and an overall clarity to see the image with distraction-free viewing. Optium Museum Acrylic from Tru Vue is an acrylic-based product that's engineered with layers of coating to provide attributes such as static resistance, which makes it really great for framing materials and fabrics. It's also abrasion resistant for high traffic areas where it can minimize art getting scratched. And it's also shatter resistant.
The goal of this Made in America state-of-the-art custom glazing is to be invisible and protective at the same time.
I truly love the journey of working with customers on the design of their piece to its completion. And the ability to create something beautiful from nothing is very empowering.
To find out more about how to get the best, most protective, and distraction-free viewing of your projects, visit tru-vue.com. And of course, you can always visit us at designingspaces.tv.